Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Schwab to TaxAct for optimized tax reporting. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Schwab to TaxAct for optimized tax reporting, first, open your web browser. Visit the Schwab website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Locate the section labeled Account Statements or Tax Documents. Select the option to download your tax documents. Choose the file format that is compatible with TaxAct, typically CSV or PDF. Save the downloaded file to a location you can easily access. Next, open a new tab and go to the TaxAct website. Log into your TaxAct account. From the dashboard, locate the section for importing financial data. Choose the option to import from a financial institution. Select Charles Schwab from the list of options. If prompted, authenticate your Schwab account by entering your login credentials. Follow any additional prompts to grant TaxAct access to your financial data. Once connected, review the imported information for accuracy. Look for your Schwab investment transactions and ensure all entries are present. If necessary, make any adjustments or corrections. After confirming that everything is accurate, proceed to finalize your tax return. Review all deductions and credits available for your situation. When you're satisfied with your return, follow the instructions to file your taxes. Make sure to keep a copy of your filing for your records. Finally, log out of both Schwab and TaxAct for security reasons. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.